Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot K-10 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this house, we've seen it a few times before. It's pretty much fully completed now. Here you can see there's still a little bit of grass that needs to be grown in the back, but that's no matter. It'll only take a couple months or so. You've got outside water and electric on this house. Here's your faucet there. And you've got electric on that side of the steps and over on the other side as well. There's a little stoned area right in the front, so that's all you need to do in terms of the outside maintenance, just weeding that. This is the kitchen right here. Get this really, really beautiful white cabinets with those black hardware. You've got these 2 windows out in the front. Gives you a perfect look at the neighborhood. Especially on this bright sunny day, you can see how nice it is. Got this ceiling fan above. And you can see just how much light is casted into this house through the windows. These are also double thermal pane windows, which help to contribute to the Energy Star certification in this house. It basically means that the house will hold a lot of heat in the winter and keep it cool in the summer. Right there was the cable jack that I showed you. This is the thermostat here. We have all Whirlpool appliances throughout this house, and they're all stainless steel, along with a warranty through the manufacturer. This is your refrigerator with a freezer on top. There's an ice maker in there as well, and the fridge on bottom. Here we'll take a look in the cabinet. You've got this adjustable shelving in there. And just saw there the slow closing mechanism. Show it again in a moment. Got this beautiful Backsplash subway tile. Here's underneath. Got lots of space there as well. Really, really nice sink here. Got that cutting board. This all comes included with the house. The drying rack and the drying tray. This nozzle also comes out and extends. There's also a spraying and like a regular water feature on there. Got that nice window above the sink. And this is an extra deep cabinet in the corner. There's that slow closing mechanism better displayed. So anytime you were to try and slam the cabinet door, it won't make any noise. It'll just slowly close. That's your microwave right there, which is above your stove oven combination. Beneath all that, you've got a heating tray as well. And again, all these come with warranties through the manufacturer. This is the final thing I'll show in the kitchen before we move on. You've got these super, super, super deep cabinets here. So you can put tons and tons of spices or food, bread, whatever have you. And again, all these cabinet doors have that slow closing mechanism. You can see out the window there. Right here is the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning in this house. The one thing I really like about these AirQuest ones is they're super, super easy to change the filter. You just open that up, pop out a new one, or pop out the old one and put in a new one. This is your second door, and this is your bathroom. You've got this really, really nice sliding glass door with that black trim for the shower in here. This is all one-piece fiberglass with 2 seats in there. And behind me here, you've got your sink, toilet to the left, some cabinet space, and you've got this right here as well. Just before we go to the bedroom, right here you have where you can place your stackable washer and dryer. And this is the bedroom. I'll take a stand in the corner here so you can kind of get a general sense of how large this room is. I'd also like to note that the blinds in this house are premium. They are 2-inch blinds instead of the regular 1-inch, so they block out light a lot better. Before, I just showed you the cable jack. So this room and the living room both have a cable jack to set up a TV very easy. This is a wire rack that comes pre-installed, and that was the data plate, which has all the information about the house. Those screen doors are to replace your glass storm doors if you felt the need to, but we just put the glass up because we think it looks nicer. Finally, this is your water heater, and it is a 40-gallon tank. Right before we finish up, this is the electrical panel. It is just like a regular house, so it's 100 amps, and everything is already listed in there for you. If you're interested about this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which gets you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.